Alright, berikutnya adalah Settle, ya kan? The aliens planet growths have taken over Settle. It's up to Ben to destroy the infestation and save the city. Let's go. Oh, ini udah ke pusat kota nih ceritanya.
It looks like whatever's been spreading all these plant pods around has taken root at the top of the city.
And I'm supposed to fight that?
Think of it as revenge for every vegetable you've ever been forced to eat.
It's payback time.
It's payback time. Challenge location are the true test of your skill. Try to get rank A in all challenge location. Mau ya? Oh, lawan bosnya deh guys kayaknya. Iya kah? Maybe. Masalahnya gua rasa sih yang cocok lawan dia yang api ya. Cuma nggak tahu lah ya. Kita lihat aja ntar. Soalnya dia tumbuhan guys. Logikanya sih begitu ya. Oh, ini yang tadi ngikut sama Kevin. Jadi kayak gini. Waduh duh. Aduh duh. Aduh. Kayak pakai XLRB deh. Oh enggak guys, coba. Oh nggak nyampe nih. Oh nggak nyampe emang. Oh apa ini ya? Coba taruh dulu guys. Ini belum pengaruh nggak? Oh ngaruh cok. Bisa. Main pakai otak guys. Kita jangan sampai di area hijaunya dia. Mana sih satu lagi? Jauh banget perasaan muter anjir. Aduh gak nyampe lagi cok. Aduh lowbat guys. Oh gitu. Dihancurin. Oke ganti lagi. Gitu gak sih? Wah sekarang bisa. Aduh. Kena stun gue. Oh bisa ditahan kok. Oke bisa ditahan. Haha. Gak bisa guys, harus lurus. Aduh ini masalahnya. Ntar dulu guys. Ini gua habis cok. Let's go cannonball. Ya padahal gue jatuh tadi. Bisa kok Benten. Oke. Gak bakal bisa kena gua lu. Aduh. Aduh, gak berubah. Gak kena lagi guys. Let's go, apakah bisa? Waduh, di sono lagi guys. Ayo cepet. Haha. Wah, gila. Harus siap guys. Gila, untung aja. Gue lagi lepas tangan anjir. Nah, ini berubah jadi yang tangannya banyak nih. Oh enggak, jadi ini deh. B bro.
Yeah, sweet! Another Omnitrix crystal. Let's see who I've got now.
Jadi apa? Emang ada yang tubuhan guys? Emang ini ada di kartunnya ya? Gak tau gua.
Oh yeah.
Emang ada guys?
Mean green
Nggak tahu sih gue.
kicking machine.
Of course. That plant monster must have been charged up by Wildbine's DNA. This can't all be a coincidence. Why are all of our bad memories suddenly coming back to haunt us?
Unfortunately, the evidence all points to one individual.
Ngeri juga. Apalagi nih bro?
Why? Why am I
Siapa ini,
surrounded
guys?
by utter incompetence? I gave up the valuable crystals I
Squidward,
stole from the
anjir.
Omnitrix so that the Tennyson boy would be destroyed. And the miserable peons that I so generously entrusted with those crystals are unable to do anything but fail me. You
Bosnya kah dia?
have done
Bos
well.
terakhir kah?
Retrieving
Siapa
the
nih?
null void projector was invaluable. Simply return to me the final item I need to complete my plans, and you will have both the Omnitrix and the boy to
Hah?
do with what you will.
Aduh, gue lupa guys itu apakah ada di ini ya. Wildfine has been restored to the Omnitrix. Oke, partnya segitu dulu aja. Kok ada tengkorak aja guys? Apa gue mau gara-gara mati guys? Enggak lah ya. Yaudahlah segitu aja part kali ini. Kita lanjutin di next video. Terima kasih yang sudah mampir. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya.